Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting into the management plane, log into the web UI or SSH with admin credentials, and confirm the management IP responds. Once done, export a running configuration and system snapshot to a safe location so you can roll back if needed. Make sure to check the PAN OS version now. Updating resolves known issues and enables newer features, so plan an upgrade if you're behind. These steps protect your environment and set a stable foundation for configuration changes. Next, model your network with address objects and groups so policies are explicit and reusable. Then create zones and bind interfaces. This defines trust boundaries and ensures traffic is evaluated correctly. After that, construct security policies from most specific to least specific. Match source, destination, user, application, and service. Attach logging at session end for visibility. If required, add source or destination NAT rules tied to those policies. These steps enforce. When your configuration is ready, commit and watch the commit output for errors. Fix anything that blocks. Once committed, run connectivity tests and reproduce expected flows while watching traffic logs and packet captures to confirm policy hits and NAT behavior. Monitor system and session stats, and enable dynamic content updates for threats and applications. If something goes wrong, use the backup you created, the commit history, and targeted packet captures. Quick troubleshooting tip. If traffic fails, check policy order, zone mappings, and NAT translations first.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.